Greetings everyone, I bring a new video on a strategy for OTC markets. It's very similar to the strategy already presented on the channel, but here we add a new indicator. It's called Awesome Oscillator. Let's get started. First, you set up the candles and time frame. You use the candles on right Nash and the time frame using 15-second charts. The expiration time, you're gonna use 1 minute. In this example, I use $23. Now let's configure the moving average. 7 period and style is up to you, click on save. And now let's go to the awesome oscillator, okay? Click on it and let's configure it. 5 and 34 and short and long period. The color is up to you and click on save. How does this strategy work? It's simple. When two candles or one candle is set the average line and awesome oscillator turns green, I enter a bullish position. Always trade in a favor for a trend to avoid losses. Now that you know the basics, let's look for entries to see how it works. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Here, guys, we have a possible entry on AUD/USD OTC. The movement is bullish, and the price is testing the resistance. It doesn't pass, come back, and doesn't pass again, indicating resistance. I will enter bullish on AUD/USD OTC. And add it to the favor because we have two candles above the average, and the oscillator is turning green. Let's wait 5 seconds to see the results. Alright, let's wait for this. Position 1, guys, on AUD/USD OTC. Now we have $44. Okay? The strategy respect the trend continuation and comfortably gave us a win. The next trade will be with half a month for $4. Okay? Let's change this. And we look for a similar position. Alright? Looks like we have only CAD JPY with a bullish similar to the previous one. I went here to the upside, click on the buy button. Look at this movement. It's almost the same for the previous one. Enter bullish, we have the move to upside, candles above the zone and the oscillator turning green. The entry point is high, but the trend is in your favor. Let's wait 4 seconds to see if this position win or lose for us. Okay? Second position 1, guys, look at this, similar to the previous one. It was in favor of the trend. If you trade against the trend, you might lose. Let's be patient and wait for confirmations. I will take a short break and then look for 2 more entries. Alright? Remember, when applying this strategy, it's better to proceed gradually and carefully. The next trade we're gonna use $7. Okay? Back to the video after a short break to let the chart for more entries. We have a possibly entry right now on CAD OTC. It's seen bullish despite recent falls. Enter bullish on AUD CAD OTC, guys. The oscillator shows green valley. And we have 2 candles above the average, indicating bullish moments. Let's wait to see if this position will be a win or we're gonna lose this. Okay? Let's wait for this and pay attention on the awesome oscillator and the downtrend or the uptrend. Another win. We have added 134, bring to the total to nearly 150, guys. The next position I will be with $100. Let's find a similar setup, okay? Let's do this. As you see, the strategy works in favor of the trend. You might notice false moves and entries when prices are too high. Always check the contest and resistance zones. I will look for another entry and show it when found. We have a possible entry, guys, on the WTI crude oil TC. Okay, look this downtrend and uptrend right now. The price is slowing down and the oscillator indicates an uptrend. Because of that, I perform an entry using the buy button bullish entry. Okay, as the price confirms the uptrend as showing for us on the awesome oscillator. Trading, counter trading involves risks. So we need to pay attention when you get these movements on the candles, on the awesome oscillator. So guys, we got 30 seconds and let's wait for this. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. And we got again, guys. Position 1, our account balance is now approximately $230. I earned $200 in less than an hour, testing the same strategy with a new indicator for more confirmation. Remember, these strategies are not 100% effective. They might fail due to the entry points or rapid market changes. Practicing them account first and then go live. If you tried this strategy, let me know if it works for you. If you have been profits using this, okay? Just send this on the comments. Let me know. If you have any doubt about this, just reach out to me direct on Telegram. Send a message about this, okay? Don't forget to do the step-by-step to perform this strategy. This is very important. Leave your comments on what strategy I should cover next. Join the free signals group through the link in the video description, okay? Click to join my channel. See you guys in the live stream. Have a lot of profits with this strategy. See you soon. Bye bye.